Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 7 Pro, and I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, we'll just hold the power key, like you would want to power it off. And as you can see, you get the options. And what we will do is just hold the power off, and you'll get this message. Instead of like tapping, you hold it, and get the message to reboot into safe mode. Just confirm it by tapping on OK. And now the device will reboot, and once it's back on, you will see a little message on the bottom of the screen stating that the device is in safe mode. So let's wait for the device to actually turn back on. As you can see, you have the little message right here, safe mode. Just gonna unlock the device. And now that the phone is in safe mode and some of the apps are basically disabled due to the safe mode itself, and only the essential apps work. So that's basically how you enable it. And if you want to leave it, you can just hold the power key again and then select restart. And once it restarts, it will be back in normal. So you can just wait for it to do that, just so you can see. Okay, so once the device actually turns on, the process will be completely finished, and the phone will be normal, as you can see. And that's basically how you enter and leave the safe mode. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.